Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to Social Online Class. How are you, children? Did you watch the previous videos? Did you go through the book? Have you understood the chapter? I hope you have understood, right? Yes, today we are going to read the book back exercise as well as the question answer of chapter 2. Okay. Yes. Chapter 2. What's the title? Can you say the title of chapter 2? Yes, it is Unity in Diversity. Okay, the title of this chapter is Unity in Diversity. In this chapter, we have learnt about the different types of foods we use in different states, right? India is our country. It has many states. People of different states eat different types of dishes, right? We have learnt about the food culture of different states of India, and also see here the Indian dresses, right? And also the clothing of the states of India. People of different states wear different kinds of dresses, right? You can see here many colorful different types of dresses. And also the languages. People speak different languages in different states, right? We speak Tamil, and the Kerala people speak Malayalam, and Andhra people speak what? Telugu, right? Like that, people of different states used to speak different languages. Okay. So there are many dance forms in India. Here you can see some of the classical dance forms of India. And here you can see some of the folk dances in India. Okay, yes. Now please take page number 48 in your social book. Please take your social book and your sharp pencil and page number 48. Let me read the fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay, first question, page 48, question 1. Fill in the blanks. People in dash use coconuts to make their dishes. People in Kerala use coconuts to make their dishes. Kerala spelling K capital E-R-A-L-A. Kerala. Okay, K-E-R-A-L-A. People in Kerala use coconuts to make their dishes. Second one, our currency mentions the value of the note in dash languages. 17 languages. Our currency mentions the value of the note in 17 languages. Third one, Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated by Muslims after a month-long fasting period. Okay, dash is celebrated by Muslims after a month-long fasting period. Eid ul-Fitr. Sikhs celebrate dash. Guru Purab. Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab. Okay, dash festivals are celebrated all over the country. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Name the national festivals. Yes, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These festivals are celebrated all over India. Okay. Yes. Now, choose the correct answer. Second one. Please tick the option. Okay. First one, dash is a harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. Dash is a harvest festival, Onam. Please tick the option 2. Okay. In dash dance, the dancers wear makeup, colorful costumes and jewelry. Bharatanatyam. Okay, tick the option Bharatanatyam. Then third one, dash dances are normally performed to welcome a new season during a harvest festival. Folk. Okay, third one, dash dances are normally performed to welcome a new season during a harvest festival. Folk. Then fourth one, girls and women tie a rakhi around the wrist of their brothers during Raksha Bandhan. Okay, tick option 2. Then snakeboard races are conducted during Onam. Snakeboard races are conducted during Onam. Please tick Onam. Okay. Have you completed? Now match the following. First one, Guru Purab. The answer is Langar. 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 Then second one, Basant Panchami. The answer is kites. 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 Okay. Third one, Pongal. The answer is Sun God. Fourth one, Christmas. The answer is Santa Claus. Fifth one, Punjab. The answer is Baisakhi. Okay, let me repeat the answers. Guru Purab, Langar, Basant Panchami, kites, Pongal, Sun God, Christmas, Santa Claus, Punjab, what? Baisakhi. Have you all marked the answers? Okay, please go through the book once again. Learn all the spellings thoroughly, okay? Now we can read the short answers in this lesson, okay? After this video, you can receive the notes. Then you can copy it in your classwork note neatly. Okay, children? Now listen to me. Let me read the short answers. Answer in short. First one, name any 5 festivals. Okay, first question. Name any 5 festivals. Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Ramzan, Christmas. Okay, you can write on your own. Name any 5 festivals. Not national festivals, what religious festivals. Okay, name any 5 festivals. Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Ramzan, Christmas. Then name any 5 languages spoken in India. Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada. Name any 5 languages spoken in India. Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada. Okay, third one, name the national festivals of India. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Name the national festivals of India. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, let me repeat. Name any 5 festivals. Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Ramzan, Christmas. Okay. Then second one, name any 5 languages spoken in India. Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu and Kannada. Okay. And third one, name the national festivals of India. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Clear? Okay. Now question number 4. When did India get republic? India got republic on 26 January 1950. Okay. India got republic on 26 January 1950. When did India get independence? India got independence on 15th August 1947. India got independence on 15th August 1947. And sixth question, write about the type of clothing used by people of India. Write about the type of clothing used by people of India. The dress that the people wear differs from region to region according to the climate of the place. Okay, the dress that the people wear differs from region to region according to the climate of the place. Then question number 7. How is Holi celebrated? How is Holi celebrated? Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March. People throw colored powder and colored water on each other. Okay, how is Holi celebrated? Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March. People throw colored powder and colored water on each other. Okay, in this way they celebrate Holi. Okay, children? Yes, only 7 question answers in this lesson. Everything small questions. Please copy it in your notebook and learn all the spellings. Okay. Please go through the book thoroughly. Read your book properly. Okay. Then only you can able to answer the one word questions. Okay, children. Within a week we have our periodical test. For that periodical test we will ask one words. If you go through the answers and study the answers thoroughly, only you can able to answer the one word. Okay. Yes, please study well. Okay, children, study all the spellings thoroughly. Fill in the blanks, choose, match. Okay, there is no true or false in your book, but we'll ask true or false. Okay, children, we'll change the question. You have written in last time, right? Like that, the question will be okay. Okay, children, please learn thoroughly everything. Okay. So we have learnt about unity in diversity, different types of food, clothing and the festivals of India and also languages, right? Have you understood this topic? Do you know to read the question answers? It's very easy, right? Okay, please learn. Okay, children? Okay, obey your parents, study your portions regularly, be good to your parents. Okay, children? Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.